Maschine 3.3.1 is now available on Maschine Plus. Yes, I'm talking about the actual hardware unit, not just the desktop software. If you use Maschine 3 on your computer, then you already know the kind of power this brings to your standalone workflow. Expect smarter performance and smoother sessions. The Maschine Plus is now running on the same 3.3.1 engine as the desktop version. That means your features are aligned, giving you a familiar starting point whether you're on hardware or software. Now, I don't know about you, but bounce in place is one of those features that can literally stop your CPU from writing its own resignation letter. You can bounce one instrument or entire sound groups. It's flexible and a huge time saver. And stay tuned. KONTAKT 8 and Play Series compatibility are coming soon. Let's talk about the bass synth upgrade. Originally introduced back in 2017 with Maschine 2.6.8, it's now more powerful than ever. You get a second oscillator, detune, and mix controls for rich, layered textures. And yes, glide control right inside the mix UI. Smooth. Next up, custom chords in standalone mode. No more dangling USB cables. You can now create and save your own chord sets directly on the Maschine Plus and easily move them back and forth between hardware and desktop. Speaking of upgrades, Maschine Plus now fully supports the Kontrol S-Series Mark III and Complete Kontrol S2 with deeper parameter integration for massive. So you'll have hands-on control across both Maschine and Complete Kontrol hardware. And here's a big one, expanded file support. Import now includes MP3, MP4, FLAC, and OGG. For the first time, export now supports MP3 as well. Yes, finally. Accessibility also got some love. Updates now run automatically in the system tray with hardware auto detection, simpler toggles for voiceover, and full support for zone navigation, feedback, and tour mode. Overall, expect faster parameter updates and smoother performance, especially when using Kontrol Mark III. Oh, and one more cool thing. ABLETON link over USB. Your Maschine Plus can now join your link setup without needing Wi-Fi. I hope you found this video to be helpful. Be sure to visit the links down in the description box below. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. Thank you for tuning in, and we are out.